have a blue jay. Then we got a wingspan. Come on, focus. 43. Clutch size, lifespan 26. Clutch size 7 and independence 1. Then we have the Atlantic puffin. Then it's got wingspan 65, lifespan 38, clutch size 1, and independence 4. Then we have a snowy owl. Wingspan, 166 centimeters and 28 years. Clutch size 11 and independence 2. Then we have the key-billed toucan. And we got wingspan 125, lifespan 20 years, clutch size 5 and independence 3. Then we have the flamingo, American flamingo. That is 180, wingspan, lifespan 60, clutch size 1 and independence 3. Yellow and blue macaw. Wingspan 177, 80 years, clutch size 3 and independence 3. The common kingfisher. Wingspan 28, lifespan 21, clutch size 7, independence 1. Ooh, a golden pheasant. And 75, wingspan 13, lifespan, clutch size 12 and independence 1. Follow for part 2.